Everyone, this is Kathy Hart, and I'm checking in. I haven't checked in for a while, but if you'll remember, after my little dog Sazi died, I adopted a little dog that was supposed to be hospice, and her name is Coco or Cocapelli. There's Kachina in the background, and Coco came to us not thinking she could have surgery, but it turns out that she was cleared for surgery, so she had a spay and a dental and bilateral perineal hernia repair in the last couple of weeks. She also had her bladder tacked up. If you know anything about perineal hernias, you know their bladder can come out through the hernia, so that her bladder was tacked up by the veterinary surgeon, and she had 2 large ovarian cysts removed. She's feeling her trazodone right now, I think, a little sleepy. But anyway, I just wanted to update you on her. Not taking a road trip right now. We are taking a trip through post-op routine. But we did find out her DNA this week, so I wanted to tell everybody that. She is about half, well, high 30% Japanese Chin. That's her highest percent. She's got the other big percent, which is like 36, is Chihuahua, and she looks that. If everybody in the Japanese Chin group is like, she doesn't look Japanese Chin, but I'm going to get a close-up of her face in just a minute, because I think if she had the markings the way the Japanese Chin do, she'd really look like that, but it's the black that throws her off. She actually carries the genetics for the Japanese Chin markings, but they're recessive and dominant, so I think dad or mom was a black Chihuahua. She's got some other breeds, like interesting Chow Chow, and some larger breeds, like even a little bit of German Shepherd in her. But she is primarily the first ones that I mentioned, the Japanese Chin and the Chihuahua, and then the next breed is Chow Chow, and the rest are just 1 or 2% after that. So anyway, let me get a close-up of her face, and then we'll update in a week or two. So you can kind of see her. It's really hard to get her face because of her dark coloring, but you can kind of see some Japanese Chin in her face. She lost her little fang tooth with her surgery, so that's gone, and probably makes her look a little bit less Japanese Chin. We'll catch you next time. Bye.